Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be installing a grab handle mount phone mount by Xomzema. Let's get it installed and check it out. A big thank you to Xomzema for providing the product for this video. The phone holder comprises of an aluminum mount that screws into the dash. There's an arm made from a TPE material. There are aluminum ball joints that go into each end of that arm. And then there's the expandable phone holder, which is again made of the TPE material, and that screws into the ball joint. I chose to add some foam to the mount just to make sure I didn't scratch the dash. I simply cut it out to shape and stuck it on. It's just some adhesive foam, cut it out to shape and stuck it on there to protect the dash. I'm a big fan of the copper dash and I just didn't want to damage it at all. Next you'll unscrew the clasp on the arm, ready to put the ball joint in. Slide the ball joint into the opening, clamp it down and tighten the screw. You'll see that there was a bright coloured rubber band in there. That's to aid with the grip, so there's less chance of it moving around while driving. The ball joint on the other end, you want to put the screw connector on first, push it into the phone mount and then screw it together. And now you can slide it into the other end of the connecting arm. And make sure to clamp it in place. Using a T30 Torx bit, you can remove these two bolts in the dash. The kit comes with some new longer hardware. There are two protrusions on the phone mount and they slide into the dash perfectly. And just screw in the new bolts that came with the kit. Using a 4mm hex bit, tighten them down. There is a hex wrench included in the kit, but I decided to use this new DeWalt gyroscopic screwdriver that I recently picked up. You can install it a couple of different ways. This way shows the adjusters facing towards the driver, and here the adjusters are facing towards the window. Obviously it's totally up to you. Here's what it looks like holding a phone. This is an old iPhone Max that I had lying around. I don't remember what generation it is, it's not powered up, I just wanted to show you what it looks like with a phone installed. Here from the driver's seat you can see it doesn't obstruct your view at all, and you can actually reach it and touch it from the steering wheel. This is ultimately how I chose to install it, to mitigate any potential bouncing from travelling down the road. As you can see, it fits the contours of the dash nicely. I did put some felt behind there because I just wanted to protect the dash. I love that copper finish I've got, so I just want to make sure that it didn't scratch it up at all. The mounting mechanism, the balls have rubber bands on them, so that keeps them nice and taut when you tighten them down. I do wish that the clasp had like a quick release mechanism, but aside from that, it works really well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.